What a busy Monday. I can barely keep up with all these court appearances. But let's talk about Vusi Muzikhet Matlala. Yesterday was the first day of his trial and he appeared in court with four co-accused. One of the people standing trial with him is his wife, Takani Matlala, who was also in court. She has pleaded not guilty along with the other accused. They all deny every charge they are facing, including attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, fraud, and money laundering. The judge also settled a disagreement about the trial dates. The case will continue until early August, take a short break, and then resume at the end of August. According to the prosecution, Matlela was allegedly behind three separate hit plots. The alleged targets were businessman Joe Ferraris Bagnoni, actress Tebogo Tebojane, and music producer DJ Vetis. The state also plans to present cell phone records, financial transactions, ballistic evidence, and other documents to support its case. The first witness is expected to testify today, on Tuesday, so this is where we'll begin hearing the evidence. If the accused are found guilty, they could face very lengthy prison sentences. But for now, they all pleaded not guilty, and the court will decide the case after hearing all evidence. I'll keep you updated as the trial continues. With all that being said, I'll see you on the next one. God bless you and ciao.